Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Today we are back in the garage with Black Cloud. And we're gonna be working on his 2020 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. We are going to be installing this little bad boy that Harley-Davidson sells for a nice little pretty penny. If you would like to get one at a much greater discount, I will drop that information down below, but let's go ahead and get started.
So I gotta take the two side ones out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, leave this one in, because that one's gonna become very useful indeed. Yeah, and loosen this one up and
I don't
then,
wanna.
like, barely leave it in. Because once I drop the fairing, it's literally gonna be held up by just that one. That's fine. And then you have these two right here. This one and this one.
Mm.
And then two more on this side. I'll get these two.
Yeah. So, reason why we are doing this, and I'm recording it instead of just like us having fun, is because, as previously seen, my bike is still broken. And I am still waiting on all the parts to come in. Rip Bertha.
Yay! Alright, this is the fun part.
Oh, taking it off?
Yeah, I forgot one thing.
Oh.
I have to take this off first. There you go. Yeah,
Dumb.
Ow! Wait.
I saw it.
There you go. That's so easy to come off. So if we put it on the wrong one, it will explode.
No, look, this isn't lining up.
So it's not that one then?
It's that, yeah.
Oh, here it is.
The lips aren't lining up.
It's one of these, I'm telling you.
We're gonna find out. Yep, that just...
Let's see. It says wait 30 seconds. I hope it doesn't explode. Allow CarPlay. That was the fastest.
Wow!
Look at that. Oh my god. High five.
Wow. Holy that was fast.
Harley wanted to charge me a 4-digit number.
Yeah.
Dude, this is dope. I have Apple CarPlay.
And now you can actually clearly see like all your calls and stuff like that on there too.
Like, dude, it works with everything. Holy moly. I didn't really have high hopes. But
I mean, for the price you paid. Okay, so for those people that are gonna do this, it is, right here's the headlight. It's gonna be coming all the way up and it's going to be the gray piece all the way right there in the back. And then obviously the transmitter going back up to the phone that sends out the wireless signal. That was the simplest thing I've ever had to do for a bike. I struggled more to put on crash bars than this shit. I thought it would be so much harder than this. So now we just put back on the fairing and then you're all good to go. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and click subscribe and make sure you hit that bell notification. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.